Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. It is early. This is going to be a mission. I have an hour and a half to fish today. I want to see if I can get some footage for you guys. Get at least one or two hookups. Land at least one of those hookups. That would be lovely. It's a little dark yet. I don't think the fish are quite awake, but might as well cast while we're out here, you know. Alright, come on. Come on, fish. Give me something. There's a fish. Thank you. Oh my god, and it's gone. No. Dang it. No. Gotta be kidding me. What a terrible hook set. The squeaky reel. Pull down yellow. Okay. Alright, let's keep going. Man, it's the first miss of the day. It's a bummer. As soon as I said, come on, fish, they were like, okay. Man, what a bummer. That would have been fish number one. Alright, come on. Today we are racing the clock. First day of daylight savings. Got an hour to fish before church. Alright, got my backup plan here. Let's try a little sack. Okay, let's see. We can pick something up here with this spawn sack, or else we gotta make a move. There's a fish, come on. Stay on, sucker. It's running towards me. All right. It's got to be the smallest little jack. It sure is. That's all right. We got some action, boys and girls. Looks like he took the yellow bead. Little baby jack. Still cool though. Let's get him in here. Let's get this baby in here. Get over here, little guy. Come on. Come on. Left my net. Oh gosh, he popped off of the hook that was in his mouth. All right, I don't want to hurt this fish. Poor guy. This is why I always bring my net. Now that I don't have it. There he goes, quick release, good. He's gone. Well, cool. First fish of the day. Had him pinned on the yellow. It was really rocky here. I didn't want to hurt the fish, so I was trying to be nice, but then that yellow bead that was in his mouth popped off, and my second bead hook had him in the butt. So oh well, that's one fish for me. Touched it. It's just a little guy. No need to take him out of the water. Let's keep going. One fish so far. Oof. My hand is cold. There's a fish. That is a good fish, boys and girls. Told you I got hit. Hold on, hold on, hold on. It's a hen. All right. Ooh, she's a big girl. Oi. That's a big girl, dude.
Yellow?
Yellow.
Dude, I've been using yellow all day.
It's a big girl.
Dude, that's beautiful.
Check her out, boys and girls.
I'll take a picture of it. That one has a hook already on its back.
Oh, that's my second bead.
Oh, yeah. Here, let me.
Gorgeous hen. Just swallowed that yellow bead. Can you unhook her? Gorgeous, gorgeous hen.
Let me get a release on it. That'll be a cool release.
All right, boys and girls, we're gonna let this beautiful hen go. Live another day. Just revive her a little bit. She's chrome. Super chromy. Woo! All right. Just revive her a little bit. She's chrome. Super chromy. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Very short video, like I said, but at least we got to hook into some fish. Got to at least land one. Got to touch that little jack, and yeah, ended with a nice hen. So she's nice and chrome. Pretty solid day for having less than an hour to fish. I mean, maybe it was like an hour and a half, but I would say that's a pretty productive day. So I'm gonna get home, spend time with the family, and yeah, hopefully I'll be back on the water soon again. So thanks for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.